Hi guys, in this session let me share schedule, the detailed plan such that you will be able to complete syllabus in time for GATE 2022. And before sharing the schedule, let me tell you we have done our part of research in order to propose the schedule because we thought that we are supposed to provide one generalized schedule for all the categories of aspirants. If you think of categories of aspirants, BTech studying students, MTech studying students, one category. Because for this category, during November, December, during this time, they are going to have their examinations, semester examinations. Okay, and if you think of dedicatedly preparing guys, whoever has taken 1 year gap to prepare dedicatedly for GATE, and if you think of another category, working guys, and if you think of one more category, like whoever has cracked this year GATE and whoever want to prepare again for GATE 2022, for them also, for them up to August, they are literally free. And after that, again, during November, December month, they are going to get exams. And if you think of subjects also, some subjects are theory-oriented subjects, some subjects are problem-oriented subjects, some subjects are analysis-oriented subjects, and interconnections will be there. And our ultimate target is we should be able to complete syllabus in time, such that aspirants should get more time for revision, practice, and taking online test series. Okay, by considering all these inputs, we are proposing this particular schedule. And coming to the plan, okay, why this plan is very much important. If you see every year, because I have been in this field from past 20 years, and I might have seen thousands and thousands of students. Every year during January month, many members leave GATE preparation. Why? The main reason, they might have started their preparation randomly without having any plan. Okay, randomly they will select subjects and randomly they will dedicate time for the subjects. For example, for machines, dedication of 6 months is not required. For control systems, within 1 week we are not supposed to complete. Okay, so this is significance, and without plan you cannot achieve success. From A to B you cannot go. In order to go from A to B, a failure to success, you should have compulsorily proper plan. Okay, and if I share that schedule, what are the main important subjects? Are application oriented subjects, because application oriented subjects is going to be hard for any engineering, and remaining all subjects are supposed to help these subjects, are supposed to help us in understanding these subjects. Okay, now 4 subjects we have application oriented subjects. Machines is one subject, power systems is one subject, power electronics is one subject, and analog electronics is one subject. Okay, and if you think of machines, prerequisite means directly we are not supposed to start machines, because for machines, in order to understand properly, network should be completed. If you think of power systems, for power systems, at starting LC calculations will be there. In order to understand LC calculations, EM theory is prerequisite. And for power systems, anyway, network theory should be there. And the load frequency control of power systems, in order to understand that, control systems is required. And if you think of faults and stability, to understand that, compulsorily machines background is required. And if you think of power electronics, in order to understand power electronics, compulsorily one should have completed by that time. Before starting this power electronics, at least one should complete signals and systems. And if you think of 4 subjects, analog electronics, network theory is sufficient. Okay. Now our main target is this one. And my proposal is if one can complete syllabus by October end, they are too much in safe side. Because November, December, whoever are having examinations, BTech examinations or MTech examinations, they can dedicate their time there. And simultaneously, they can revise, they can practice. And for dedicatedly preparing guys also, whoever are dedicatedly preparing, again, they are going to get 2 months or 3 months for the revision. Because the revision is very much important. And without revision, no one can crack. Okay. Ultimately, we are preparing all these such that we should be able to revise in short time. So multiple times we have to revise. Okay, and many questions we are supposed to practice. Anyway, coming to my schedule or my team schedule, I can say. Coming to our schedule, network theory, control system should be prepared well ahead. Because if you start network theory, even BTech second year students also, happily they can start network theory. And control systems also people will enjoy. And remember one thing before starting the preparation. One important thing is, if you are motivated, it is not sufficient. Beyond motivation, something else is required, that is confidence. Start with confidence. Okay, in order to get confidence, maybe at starting, obviously static friction will be more compared to dynamic friction. So, in order to what they say, come out of that static friction, let us start subjects of very small, like light-weighted subjects, kind of network theory, control systems. So, I'm proposing our total thing is 32 weeks. In 32 weeks, you can complete syllabus, and 2 weeks you can take some extra buffer kind of stuff. And for network theory, I'm proposing means dedicatedly prepare network theory, no problem. It's starting means with such a kind of subjects only. If we start, our confidence levels will be built up. Even from BTech studying students also easily they can start the preparation, and whoever already completed preparation also they can again start the preparation afresh for 2022. So networks, you please dedicatedly give 3 weeks time. Okay, and after that for control systems also, you please dedicatedly prepare for 3 weeks, such that first 6 weeks you will be lightly burdened and your confidence levels will be boosted. And if you think of, for example, control systems, like you can get more marks, and at the same time easily you can solve. Okay, so my proposal is networks and controls you please complete within first 6 weeks, and after that you can start machines. In order to start machines, what are the subjects which are required? Only network theory is sufficient, and by this time network theory would have completed. And for machines, you please dedicate 8 weeks. For power systems, you please dedicate 8 weeks. And for power electronics, 6 weeks is sufficient. For analog electronics, 1 month or kind of 4 weeks will be sufficient. This is the outline. Okay. Of course, I'm going to give in detail also. So networks, first 3 weeks done, and controls, next 3 weeks is done. And for machines, you are going to have 8 weeks. But the moment you start machines, obviously you will be saturated because it is machine. The moment you are getting saturation, you cannot dedicatedly prepare machines, or any application oriented subjects cannot be prepared dedicatedly. And the moment you completed networks and controls, automatically you will build confidence. With that confidence, start with machines. And with machines, simultaneously we have to prepare some other subjects. Machines is analysis oriented subjects. Along with that, start mathematics, which is problem oriented, such that simultaneously if you prepare machines and maths, easily whenever you are fed up with machines, you can start mathematics. Whenever you are fed up with problem oriented subjects, you can come back to analysis oriented subject like machines. Okay, and this particular 8 weeks of machines, I'm splitting into 5 plus 3. 5 weeks you please prepare mathematics, and 3 weeks you please prepare EMC. Okay, because after machines we are about to start power system. For power system, control systems is required, network theory is required, and also what is EM theory is required. So first 3 weeks networks, next 3 weeks controls dedicatedly, and next 8 weeks machines. During these 8 weeks, you are simultaneously is going to prepare first 5 weeks mathematics, next 3 weeks EM theory. And once these 8 weeks are completed, you are going to complete simultaneously machines also, and EM theory also, and mathematics also. And then you are going to start power systems. For power systems also, let us take 2 months time, or kind of 8 weeks time. Now, in order to start power system, EM theory is required, which is already completed. For starting power system, control systems is required, which is already completed. And in order to have some topics of power system, machines is required, which is already completed. So for power systems, you are going to dedicate 8 weeks. And during these 8 weeks, you should have means 8 weeks, we have to simultaneously prepare some other subjects. And during this power system, if you can complete signal sense system, because signal sense system is a prerequisite for power electronics. So during this 8 weeks of power system, simultaneously 5 weeks, you please prepare signal sense systems. Next 3 weeks, you please prepare digital electronics, because lightweight. Okay, and after power system, start with power electronics. For power electronics, 6 weeks you are going to dedicate. During this time, you please complete measurements, because power electronics is kind of so many formulas. Measurements is likely. Okay, so these particular 6 weeks you are going to complete power electronics. At the same time, you are going to complete measurements also. The next 4 weeks is enough for analog electronics. And what are the remaining subjects? English will be there, aptitude will be there. It's better to prepare aptitude at the end only. Okay, so analog electronics 4 weeks. During these 4 weeks, you are going to complete English and aptitude. In this way, you'll be able to complete by October mid. You'll be able to complete the syllabus. Or if you think of buffer time of 2 weeks more, by October end, you will be able to complete the syllabus. In this way, means with proper linkages, with proper theory oriented or analysis oriented, problem oriented, some kind of balancing will be there. In this way, try to prepare. Very all the best.